Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a huge summer haul. That's right, a humongous 2018 summer haul. This will include little shirts, bodysuits, bathing suits, stuff like that. My hauls are usually generally long, so I wanted to do this one as fast as possible. Just because it's too hot, and because it is hot, we're going to take this haul outside on this beautiful deck. So keep watching. Thanks, guys. We have some cargo pants from Love Culture, I believe. It's camouflaged. It's a blue, gray, white, and black camouflage. I love everything that has to do with camouflage. It's super adorable. Right now, the cargo pants are coming back into style. So I decided to buy myself a pair. The material is a little bit on the thicker side, but you can wear this more like towards the fall, or just like this with a pair of sandals. It looks also pretty cute. It has two pockets on the sides and then this one up top. It's also high rise, and I love high rises. It makes your body look a lot more, it'll shape your body a little bit better. It's super adorable. I'm really obsessed with it. What do you think, Boots?
Nice heels, good day.
Right? It looks mad cute, right? And here I got some cute bell bottoms from Love Culture. It looks kind of like an overall, high-waisted bell-bottom type thing. It's striped. It's very thin. It's super good for the summertime and the springtime. You can wear this not only with the tank top, but you can also do, I've seen people do like a tube top or a bodysuit. It looks super adorable with everything you put on. You can wear some wedges with it. It comes with these two pockets as well. You zipper it up from the side, so it's also very good. Actually shapes your body pretty well. I really love it. I would think that because I'm so short it would look kind of weird, but it actually looks pretty cute. What do you think, babe?
I fucks with it.
Yeah, you like it? Even though it's weird?
Mm-hmm.
Next I got this dress. It's really cute. It like shapes your body, but it's a little bit loose. It comes with this belt as well. It's really nice. I think this is what, a plaid print. It's pink, gray, black. It's really nice. It fits super well. You can actually put the sleeves up or down, however you like. It reaches the knee, so it's not too revealing either. And it has a little pocket here at the top. And it's all buttoned down.
It's good for all seasons.
It's good for all seasons. You can wear it anytime, even with some long boots if you like, some sandals, some heels, or some like
Chonkless.
Wedges, or some wedges. It's just a long shirt. You can see it as a long, like, dressy shirt. What do you think, Boots?
I think it passes.
Yeah? You don't like it too much?
I like it.
I think it's really cute.
Mm-hmm.
Next, I got this dress from FashionNova. It's adorable, super cute. It looks like a little comic on it. It's like a guy and a girl kissing, and it says the end on the bottom. It is super adorable for all occasions as well. It's more towards the body. As you can see, it's all black in the back. And the only thing I don't like about it is that it is very thick. The material is super thick. So for the summertime, this might like really kill you because it's really hot. It would be nicer if you wore it like in the wintertime with some like long boots. It looked really cute. I really do like this dress. It's like something different. The only thing I would just change is the material, because it is very heavy, and like right now I'm already dying in the sunlight. What do you think, babe?
I wouldn't mind watching that burn.
He doesn't like it at all. Okay. Why don't you like it?
It's not appealing to a woman's body.
Why?
It's very boxy.
Yeah?
Material's too thick.
Oh God. The material is very thick. It's very thick. It's very suffocating. But other than that, I think the print's pretty cute. Next, I got these new Slounge leggings from Gymshark. They are so cute. They're so light. They're so comfortable. They are leggings, but like in a sweat type of material. It fits right tight to your body. It looks super cute. I really think it's really nice, really soft. I would wear this also in the summertime. This is not really heavy at all. The only thing I don't like about it is just this part in general. It just doesn't look good. I don't like it. I just hate the whole front part. But the whole back is very cute.
What, it shows a camel toe?
Yeah, it gives me like a little camel toe kind of vibe. I don't like it, so I like to like kind of
Let your balls hang.
pull it down. The back looks nice though, right? I love the back. The back looks really cute. It's always, all the Gymsharks really fit really great to the body. But with this one, I just don't like the front. I just feel like I would have to keep pulling it down. But other than that, I really like it. And it fits perfectly. And this is the taupe color that I got it in. What do you think, babe?
Pass.
You like it? Perfect. But here we got this American flag bodysuit. This is super adorable for the 4th of July. I like it. It's super cute. The only thing I don't like is that it is like a little bathing suit material. So I feel like if I was out in the sun all day with this, I would sweat up a storm. But other than that, I really like it. It's really adorable. The skirt is also super cute. It comes with like, it's like a distressed jean with some like metallic glitter on it. It's really adorable. It also has like a little mini open slit on the leg. It's very like, to the body, it's very comfortable. It doesn't feel icky. It doesn't feel like annoying at all. It's really nice. I really think this is like one of the best skirts I've ever worn. I think it's super cute. I've never had a skirt like this. It's super different. The top, however, you can also change the strap size, which is again something I really like, just because I can pull this up a little bit more. With this, I don't think I'd be able to wear a bra, maybe like just like pasties, because I don't like it when it shows and it seems to be a little bit deep V. But other than that, I like it. What do you think, babe?
I feel like you have your 4th of July outfit.
Do you like it? You think this is what I should wear? I like it. Here I have a different outfit, same skirt, just a different top. The top is from Windsor. It's a nice yellow color. I really love these colors for the summertime, especially since it just like pops and it's so vibrant. It's very, very thin. Super, super, super comfortable. I like it. It's a little bit see-through, but I mean, we can bear with that. It's very compact, very like put together. I love it, and you can wear this with anything. So you can see I wore this with the skirt. You can also wear it with jeans, with shorts, and you can wear it all the time. It's very, it can be sporty, or you can dress it up however you like. I think it's really adorable. What do you like it, babe?
Simple.
You like it? It's cute. We're gonna start off with this bathing suit from Windsor. It's super cute. It's nice baby blue checkered one piece. It comes with this cute little bow incorporated. It doesn't go all around, just in the front. The back is just like a straight line across, so you can move it up and down just depending on how you're tanning. It's really adorable. It's super cute. It's a size small. It's a little bit like more adjusted on the waist, but other than that, it feels perfectly. And I really love it. It's super cute. What do you think, boobs?
I like
Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you approve?
Yes.
Alrighty. Super cute. I love it. This is a bathing suit from Hot Miami Styles. It's a two-piece. It's super cute. It comes with an orangey, white, blue kind of tribal print on the border. It's a little thicker there, but it's really adorable. It's in white. It comes in like 3 other different colors. I think black, blue, and orange. I got the white one. This is also in a size small, the top and the bottom. The bottoms are more cheeky. And the top is super cute because it leaves your top really, really like secure. You don't, like, I'm very flat and this makes me feel so much better. It's so cute. You can also adjust the straps, which is something I like a lot, because most of these straps usually are too long when it comes like all together. But overall, I like it. It's super adorable, very comfortable, and super secure. Keeps everything in place. I love it. What do you think, boobs?
I like that.
Okay. Yeah, it's very cute. Yeah, thanks, babe. This bathing suit I got from Zoti, New York. I met Natalia through Instagram. She is starting up a company with like a clothing line, both men and women. And she had this one on her site and she gave it to me. It's so cute. I really like the bottoms. The bottoms are what really caught my eye, just because it's a cheeky back. It's high rise, and the pattern, the color pattern is so cute, so unique. The top, however, I don't really, it's just not my style. It's cute, it's just not for me. I don't have boobs for this. It's a bit tight. They're both a size small. It's a bit tight. It's super tight actually. But I can definitely just use the bottoms with another type of top, especially since it has like a dark blue on it, some light blues, some fuchsia colors, and the light pink. You could definitely combine it with something else. The design is super cute. It's super thin. It's just the top that I just don't like that as much. But other than that, it's super adorable. It would be so nice if you guys can also support her. She's just starting off. She's super nice. So that's this one. And I really like it. It's super cute. And I highly recommend it. It's also super cheap. And she always has a code on her site that you can use for an additional discount. Here we have this cute little crop top from, I think it's Forever 21 if I'm not mistaken. It's super cute. First I thought this looked like a tablecloth, like something my grandma would put on her table, but I think it's super cute. I don't think it's actually that bad. It covers every single side, the front, the back, and everything. It's super cute. You button up the back. It's a little bit complicated there. You would have to have somebody help you, I think. But other than that, I think it's really cute. It has this cute little flower design, and it's actually crochet around the borders. It's really adorable. It's very different. I really like it. What do you think, Boobs?
I think it's the best of the day.
Really?
Yeah.
You really like it that much?
I really like it.
I didn't expect you would like it.
It's really cute.
Yeah, I really like it as well.
It's different.
It's different. It is very different. Last but not least, I got this cute pajama. It's a nice Mickey Mouse pajama. I got it from Forever 21. They have a very large line of Mickey Mouse and Disney stuff, so I thought this was super cute. It's just a long shirt type of pajama. It's very, it's loose, but it's comfortable. It's thin. It's not thick at all. And I just love what it says, even though I'm not a coffee person, but I think it's so cute. What do you think, babe?
It's a cute pajama.
It's cute, right? I love it. I love wearing these type of pajamas. They're just very comfortable. And that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Leave any comments in the comment box below. Any information that you guys would like to know as well will be in the bottom box. I'm going to put the names of all the stores that I bought all these outfits from. And don't forget to give me those thumbs up as well. And I'm just going to get away from the sun. Oh yeah, and obviously, babe, thank you for helping me as my critic. And I'm just going to go back inside. The sun is hitting way too hard. I'm just gonna enjoy a donut and just go off to bed. Thanks, guys.